I will write the formation of present indefinite tense. So the formation of present indefinite tense is formation will be subject plus base form of verb plus object or other part of the sentence. This is an example of present indefinite tense. This is how we form a present indefinite tense. Now I will write the formation of present perfect tense. And the formation is subject plus have or has plus past participle. Past participle plus object or other part of the sentence. So this is the formation of present indefinite tense, and this is the formation of present perfect tense. Now I will write few examples of present indefinite tense, and later I'll write the examples of present perfect tense. Examples of present indefinite tense. I write articles. He reads books. She prefers coffee to tea. He goes to the library. He drives a car. Examples of present perfect. We have gone for a walk. I have written articles. They have played football. We have shopped in this market. Hope you guys learned something new and liked my video.